What's going on, homie dudes? It's Cremated Brownies. Welcome to another unboxing review. Today we are doing a blaster that has been out for a little bit of time, and I'm actually a little bit excited to do this because this is the older brother to one of my first unboxing reviews, the Bigshock. This is the Nerf Mega Talon AccuStrike. The Nerf Mega Talon, like I so previously said, is the second oldest brother, or in terms of cases, younger brother, because it came out after it, when you think it in a way. The Mega Hotshock is a Mega Blaster, hence the name, that fires AccuStrike darts, or it comes with AccuStrike darts, and it has a system that can hold up to 2 extra rounds with 1 round in the chamber. Starting at the front, since this is a small pistol and it is in the Mega series, there is no front barrel attachment. Continuing back, we have some storage on the top where you can store a Mega Dart, AccuStrike, or regular. Continuing on, we have another storage on the bottom which can hold another Mega Dart, AccuStrike, or regular. Continuing back, you have the trigger and kind of like a finger grip. I like this grip, it's just a tiny bit cramped for me. So if I were to adjust this, I would just pull this down a little bit. Continuing on, we've got an iron sight in the back, which kind of lines up with the top of the dart, so it doesn't really do much. We've got the handle, and then we have the bolt, or the primer, whatever you want to call it. To simply fire this blaster, you just pull down on the primer and fire it, just like so. That is the overall overview of the Talon. If I'm to go over anything more, Hasbro does this a lot, and I don't know why. They only put looks and fancy decals or paints on the front, but then you flip it over and it's just bare, and nobody really likes that, and everybody complains about it a lot, yet Hasbro still won't change it. Anyway, that is the Mega Talon unboxed review. Now let's go and take it out onto the range and see how this guy performs. Firing the Talon, here we go. Accuracy test with the Talon. Here we go. My tripod is just so dead. That was the Mega Talon out on the range, and its performance, I'm honestly not so impressed with. But then again, this is a tiny Mega pistol. I would recommend this blaster to people that tend to do more CQB style battles, like something where you are close in a house and where you can easily just turn around, pop a shot, and you can easily clear any distance of a hallway in your house. Coming in at an FPS rating of just slightly under 53 feet per second, which still doesn't really surprise me as it is a small Mega pistol. The accuracy, it was a little bit more accurate than most Mega blasters, hence the AccuStrike tip. My personal opinion about this blaster, I am not necessarily a fan of it, but for the package, 3 darts, 1 blaster, less than $10, I honestly think it's a pretty good package overall. And if you have like a younger sibling or something and their birthday's coming up, this is a pretty cheap blaster, and they might like it if they like Nerf, especially AccuStrike, especially Mega AccuStrike, and I mean, then you got like a super win. But this personally just doesn't really fit the class for me and kind of what I like. Anyway, that is my personal opinions, status, and unboxing review of the Nerf Talon. Remember, this year's goal is 250 subscribers, and if we hit that, 2 lucky people are going to get some free merch for free. You literally don't have to do anything unless we don't hit the goal, then nobody's getting merch, which would be sad. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next, share with your friends, and get the bell on. Link to this is in the description box down below, and we will see you all next time. Peace out.